You want us to start from here? We cannot. We are biking the car. Oh, not bad.
And we just walk.
Oh, I think if I move the car, it will be a little bit better.
Oh my God, I can drive now.
Hey God,
I swear I brought myself to work today. I just remember. Hey, go on.
Yes, guys, Fatima can now drive, and she talks about it unprovoked. She'd be talking about, oh please, what did you have for breakfast? She's like, oh my God, I drove myself to work today. I'm like, sis, please, okay? This is what happens when adults learn how to drive late, okay? So learn how to drive, children, so you'll not provoke your friends. This was on our way to Strawberry. Love the place. So Fatima is a very good friend of mine who suddenly took a break from social media because of a lot of reasons, one of which is impersonation and toxicity. So she's going to be telling you all about that and when she's coming back, if she's coming back. So please subscribe and join the family, because so I thought about what to say, but I don't have it because I'm just a goofy person that does weird stuff on the internet. So if you're into that sort of stuff, subscribe. Thanks. Hi guys, Fatima Garba here.
I'm alive.
She's alive. She's breathing. Everything is fine. So she's going to be talking to us about her newfound freedom from social media, the shackles of social media. That is what we are naming this. So yeah, what is it really? Let's because we cannot sit there. There's a greenery. We're at Strawberry, but the greenery won't allow us to. So what is that one thing that pushed you to be like, okay, let me take a break for a little while? Because I know you haven't been taking a break. You haven't taken a break in a really long time. I haven't taken a break in a very long time.
So I just felt like this was going to be very, very important. So I did it. Why am I looking at? That's not my face.
Oh, okay, I think here is better. But okay, can you go? Because we are like looking at the light like this here instead of like here we're opposing the light. So what do you think? I think should we continue like this? So yeah,
guys, can you see our background? This place is really nice.
No, Strawberry is really, really nice. I think I'll even show them the place. This is what it looks like. It's actually very, very pretty. Look at Fatima there. Hey sis, serving. Okay, I'm here for this. I absolutely love the garden theme that they are going for. It feels like a cottage. It has this I don't know if it's Indonesian thing or whatever this is, but I love it. I'm here for it. Sign me up. See, a lot of plants. If you go into a lot of plants. So how are you feeling now? Like, how is it like taking a break from social media? Because like, you've taken a break, you've privatized. Wow, see my house are coming out. You've privatized all your YouTube videos.
Yes, I did. Because I'm taking a break.
Yeah, how does it feel like? How do you feel with the whole not doing anything on social media and just
I'm doing social media just on my business page for now.
Yeah. Pink dust, guys.
So yes, pink dust. So that's what I'm working on. Like, I'm taking a break, but it's not like I'm taking a break. I'm just taking a break from blogging and YouTube, but I'm not taking a break from all everything. Social media. Yeah. I'm still on social media. I still see you guys.
Yeah.
But through my business page. So I'm just resting from the whole blogging. I'll be back soon, inshallah. I'll be back when it feels right.
So now it doesn't feel right.
Yeah, it doesn't feel right yet. And I know when the time comes, you guys will see me. I've been planning on coming back, but then.
So was it the toxicity? Because social media for me, when I took a break, because I took a break some time back for like I think 8 months or more.
Yeah, and then but when you took a break, how was it? Like, you were doing makeup before. Is it after you came back from a break that you stopped?
No, I think it was after I came back that I stopped makeup completely. I just stopped. I switched because I didn't know what I was doing.
Sometimes everything is just a phase.
Yeah.
Everything is just a phase. So for me, I feel like probably I'm just maybe this whole thing that I'm doing doesn't feel right, and that's the reason why I can't get back. So maybe when I get a new inspiration, do you get? Or maybe just continue what I've been doing. But then probably if I get a new inspiration, I can come back like stronger. That's the plan.
So you're looking for inspiration?
Yeah. I'm looking for, because that's when it will feel right, and when I get the right inspiration.
You're showing now. Hey, serving. All right, queen. Give us. Okay.
By the way, I drove myself to my office today.
You see that horrible vlog when Fatima was doing that? Sorry, the vlog was fine, but the horrible driving when she was trying.
No, but today I drove to work. I can't believe. Wallahi. Okay.
Did you?
You should not worry
you.
now.
Anyway, so back to taking a break on social media. I think the reason a lot of people take breaks on social media is because a lot of times it feels like it feels suffocating, to be honest.
It does.
And
my God,
there's a lot of toxicity on social media that even if you are not getting, because honestly I don't get a lot of hate on social media, but even without getting it's
very, in fact I have to, like, as I told you now, answering DMs and everything, trying to like please everyone, and you won't know when you start displeasing yourself because you're trying to do this for everyone. Like when you start doing things for yourself. So that's what this whole break is about.
It actually feels like that. It actually feels like it feels very overwhelming, very suffocated, and that's why I think right now I don't even care very much. All I do on Instagram is go and show you my face. Sometimes on the story. A lot of times I haven't posted on I can't. That was what when I was talking to Silent, he was like, he feels I'm taking a break from Instagram and focusing on YouTube. I'm like, well, am I not? Because I don't think so. I think, well, YouTube is paying me directly, number one. Yeah. So there is that. Instagram isn't.
Go back to YouTube.
Instagram isn't. I don't even know the content way for Instagram for me right now. I don't even know. That's why a lot of times I think I just post.
Instagram pays, but then it's only mostly when you get jobs from.
No, Instagram only pays when
your hard work will show, like it will show on your paycheck.
Exactly. But what I'm saying is that Instagram, they don't pay you directly. You only have to work with brands.
That's what I'm saying. You only get jobs if you don't stop.
If you don't get jobs, that's it. That's your. And please, dear, Instagram, I think I don't know.
So it's like they're taking more from you than you are from them, but alhamdulillah,
it's like you are giving, giving, and at some point I think you have to take a break and be like, okay, let me reevaluate and check my priorities and understand what I'm actually
going. Because I don't know, I just want to take a different direction. Probably, I'm not sure yet. Don't worry guys, when I'm back you guys will know more. And I'll probably make a detailed video.
I know she will. This is just a snippet. This is just a snippet, please. So what do you mean, like?
And please wait, stop. Those of you that impersonating me should stop, because I don't know why it gets to me. I don't know the only person, but it gets to. Don't worry. I
think it's really weird. I think for me, when that person did that for me on Instagram, on Facebook, a lot of them on Facebook, it's because they were asking a lot of people for money using my picture and my name, and I'm like, why are you using my picture and my name to ask people? Yes, send me. Hello. Send me details.
I will never beg for credit, by the way.
And also send me like money through my account. And people are sending me screenshots. I'm like, why are you using my picture to beg?
I know the people that they send you the screenshots mean well, but you found out that I'm the real person. I don't know if I have, like, you sending me the screenshots is to make me feel very bad.
Why? No, I mean, I honestly
I want to know, but then I don't. It's like I want to know and I don't want to know, because the more I know, the more horrible life.
Yours was very creepy because the girl actually knew what she was doing. So the girl was like, she just wants to be her friend. She wants to be. I think someone noticed or whatever, and she will not stop impersonating her. And then she don't blocked her.
And she blocked me.
And I was like, wait, what? What is this? What is this perversion?
So creepy.
Oh, and the guy for me on Instagram, on Facebook, is a guy.
He's actually a guy.
He's a guy.
Oh, a girl, I don't even care.
See, it's just bad. I think there's no reason why. Start your own platform. Dear, why are you impersonating other people? So, Fatima, back to you. When you're talking about, a new direction, like right now, I know you do fashion and mainly fashion.
No, it still be. I love fashion.
So when you say taking a direct,
I haven't figured it out yet, if I'm being honest. I haven't figured everything yet out. That's why I'm not.
Yeah, but I think as though you'll still be doing fashion, something in the realm of fashion still. Yeah. Because I mean, fashion is you could still
it's my thing.
Yeah.
So I should be doing that. I don't know.
So
we'll see how it goes.
It's definitely going to go well.
Sure.
It's definitely going to go well. So I just figured to show you this a little bit of snippet, because I mean. See, Fatima is just doing this, right? Like she didn't actually want to do it at first. She was like, oh my god, no, on the camera.
I swear it's because I like you I'm doing this. If not, I would never do it.
Because see, there's a lot of anxiety that comes with Instagram. I think people don't understand content creation is really difficult to job. It's a really, really difficult job.
Like, for now, I'm not even sure I want to be out there.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that.
You know, it can be very
I'm
confusing.
still figuring it out.
And it's fine, take all the time you need. Well, like when you figure it out, you come back and just, you know, strategize where you left off. But for anybody that wants to take a break, I honestly feel like don't worry about your analytics. When you come back, your people are still going to be there. Just go take
Even
your
if
break.
they go, they'll come back.
Exactly.
And come back with a bang.
And most especially.
Yes, now, like if you come back and you're better.
Yeah, and most especially you come back better because you're taking care of yourself. Self-care is really, really vital.
But they don't my food.
See, I'm even hungry. Me too. This solution that I've been doing, stay in one place. But yeah, all I'm saying is that self-care is one of the most important things, and you shouldn't, you know, sacrifice that just because you're scared your analytics will be affected. So yeah, Fatima.
Yeah.
Thank
Fatima
you.
is putting herself first.
As it should be. Anyway, so Fatima, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for being here, and you guys, I'll see you later. I'm going to go and eat. What are you watching
So I ordered chocolate slice and sausages for whatever reason, and then I ordered dalgona coffee, and Fatima ordered the ragu. I actually suggested it because I love it. It's my favorite thing there. It's their lunch menu, ragu pasta, and it's amazing. And I later on, because I stayed back later to just, you know, finish up some work, I ordered the ragu pasta, and it was fantastic again. I love their food. Everything I've tried so far is very affordable and actually very, very nice. So watch out for my video that is coming on, you know, reviews on restaurants that I love and you should try too. And we continue to talk and chat away and, you know, discuss all the things that, you know, we don't discuss on camera, like many other things that I'm not going to say here. So I love catching up with Fatima. I love amazing conversation. So when you finish watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this actually, go talk to your friends, talk to them, ask them questions like what's going on with their lives, and just not the everyday superficial conversations. Go deeper, get to know them better, and you know have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and be kind. Bye.